Now there is. Introducing Print Hero, an affordable and effective 4K SLA 3D printer for large-scale prints. Featuring 293 by 165 by 400 millimeter build volumes, users can print extra-large projects that fit the size of their big dreams. Up to 3 kilograms of resin volume can be printed continually. Bring out the maximum of the creativity without adding resins many times. The 30 micrometer per hour print speed allows fast completion of large-scale projects while maintaining accuracy and reliability. Print Hero features a 4K resolution 13.3-inch LCD screen, achieves an XY axis resolution of 76 micrometers, Z axis resolution of 10 micrometers, and uniform exposure for 98% effective surface area. It's the perfect tool to unlock your imagination, and its user-friendly design makes it the best LCD SLA 3D printer for everyone. Although Print Hero has professional-level quality, its printing process is intuitive and simple. The hydraulic rod flip cover design allows you to operate it with one hand, saving time and effort. The 5-inch touchscreen lets you to preview the print model quickly, and the cable, USB drive, or Wi-Fi connections make data transfers easy. The durable all-metal body adds stability and gives the machine a sleek, modern look. Print Hero offers multiple resin types including water-washable resin, nylon-alike resin, and TPU-alike resin. But the printer is also capable with most available third-party resins, and you can use additional paints to achieve any color match you want. Print Hero is the ultimate large-scale 3D printer for designers, engineers, architects, manufacturers, and 3D printing fans. So if you need an industrial large-scale and high-precision SLA 3D printer that delivers bigger prints with higher precision, back us today and receive an exclusive discount on Print Hero.